Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy anything from Content Warning Shop for free. So as you can see, I have no money at all right now and I can order as much as I want and all the items are free. So after this video you will be able to buy whatever you want without having money in just a few steps. So let's begin. So to do this, we will go to our browser. In my case, I'm using Brave, but you can use any other one. And go to thunderstore.io. Now we will get Thunderstore app right here. And just install it. And save it. So this is a mod manager. If you have one, you can skip this part. But if you don't, then just follow these steps. So the installation process is very simple. Just configure it however you want. And wait a few seconds. So this might take some time depending on your internet speed. Now once it's downloaded, just launch it. And this will pop up. Here you need to search for the game, so you just type Content Warning and select the game. Now here we will need to create a profile. Just put whatever you want and select this profile. Now once you're here, you will need to go to Get Mods. And here, this is the most important thing you need to install, which is the VPNX pack. This pack will allow you to install mods, so we will download it. And now here you will see the list of your installed mods. Here VPNX pack will appear. Now to install our FreeSub mod, we can just search it right here, FreeSub, and this is the one we are looking for. Just download it and click here again, and now you will see it's right here and you can enable or disable it. Now if you want to play with friends, it's important to share your profile because everyone needs to have the same mods. So you will click on share, and here you will get this code. Just send it to your friends and they need to copy it and they will be right here, so they can just import the profile by clicking here from code and pasting the code. Now they will just click import and they will get the same profile you have. In my case, I'm not playing with friends right now, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna click on this button. It's important that if you want to play with mods, you need to launch your game from Thunderstore and click in this button. Now this CMD will pop up, which means everything has worked fine. If the CMD doesn't pop up, it probably means there is something wrong in the installation, so we just follow the steps again. But now I'm gonna go to game and let's see. Start the game. Let's go to the shop. And now I'm gonna, for example, add some flashlight order. And as you can see, it works fine. I don't have any money, but it still allows me to buy anything. So I'm gonna add everything. And it works perfectly fine. So yeah, that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.